What is up, guys? Today we are testing my new teleprompter. Everything I'm saying or speaking is all scripted. I'm reading the words through this glass layer right in front of my camera lens. And I must say, it's really great. For those of you who don't know what a teleprompter is, it's essentially a device used to project a speaker's script through a transparent layer in front of a camera. It's commonly used in television for news, shows, or anything involving live hosts. And I'm actually really loving it. It feels very natural and it's perfect for schoolwork and hobbies wherein I need to speak about a certain topic and I require a perfectly written script. As you can see, I have no words being stuttered. The flow of the script is very natural and I'm not forgetting anything since I am all reading it directly from the teleprompter. What do you guys think? Is it obvious that I'm reading or is it quite natural? Let me know what you think about it. And at this point, I'm just continuing to read the script in which I continue to put random words to make the sentence.
In conclusion, the ROG function is a good-looking, albeit familiar, compact keyboard which improves. Hey, not bad.